Hi there. So it's day 7 at the university. So it's evening here. It's 5 o'clock. You can see the sun is at the peak. It's basically in the Scotland or in the UK. Morning is a bit longer. Like the sun never set. That's why they used to say, I guess, sun never sets on the British Empire. So it will be like sun will be here, like sunset will be happening around 10 or 10:15, and the day usually happens like the lights start to come around 2 or 3. So it's a very short period of time where you have the night thing. It's like almost 4 hours only. That's quite strange. Like the first time when I arrived here, I saw that why there is no night is happening here. Like it was 8 o'clock in the night and still the sun was out there and it was shining so bright. Like it was so hot at that time. It was like 8 o'clock but the sun was at a peak. So yeah, that's quite strange place. Welcome to the UK, guys. Okay, so I'm trying to record videos now these days where I speak about basically about myself or my experience about a university. In the future or in the meantime, I will try to learn about to discuss these things, to discuss about the topic, to let you show these beautiful places. A lot of things like University of West of Scotland, University of Glasgow, my Glasgow accommodation. There are a lot of things that I want to show you, but limited by the time and my availabilities, because it's like a 9 to 5 or a job thing. Uske baad you don't get much time to do things. So when I was in the way, I can make it, but I can't make it always. But that's not an issue though. It's all going good. Today, what we have done? Today I just went through some papers, got an exciting opportunity. Let's come in and discuss about Professor Raman. Professor Raman is in university, not university, he is in TIFR, Hyderabad. So basically TIFR is a Tata Institute for Research. I don't know what that stands for, but we'll see. So he basically in TIFR and we have so he is going to work with the plasma thing, like main sources there, so we can collaborate with them and see what can be done. So that's a quite exciting opportunity. I met Eva today. Eva is from the University of Duke. You might know her. Eva Beverikakis, I just can't pronounce the name though. So I mailed her, waiting for the response. Let's see how things go. I'm planning to have few projects in the field of cosmology. This one is a gravitational wave detector, gravitational detection, and another in the field of like cosmic microwave background or some analyzing part with the help of superconductivity, something like that. Eva is going to do. So I will try to contribute there. I'm trying to go with Superteacher for my BTP project. So two or three projects are there with me during the duration I stay in the UK. So I hope I can get them and work hard, so it will be a good application for my PhD thesis. So not thesis, PhD application. And then so you can see the place. I think I should make a separate video showing the Paisley Street, Paisley City, and then sometimes showing the Glasgow. It will be good. Let's see what to do. Till now, stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit. See you soon. Bye.